The Good Garbage podcast has been brought to you by Pakka. Pakka has been creating solutions in the food packaging, carry, and service space. Pakka utilizes sugarcane residue and upcycles it into amazing products. Their latest offering is a compostable, flexible packaging solution for the chocolate and confectionery industry. The products are available in the Indian subcontinent and in North America now. Pakka is also building an end-to-end solutions for customers in the food service and delivery space. For any query, do email at connect@pakka.com, and Pakka is Pakka.
Hello. I'm Alex Moore, the producer of the Good Garbage podcast, and welcome in. It's an August edition of Good Garbage News, where we find all the stories from around the last month in the industry of sustainable packaging and give you an update in one easy-to-listen-to piece. Thanks so much for joining me here on the Good Garbage podcast feed. I know the title of this podcast, the title of this episode in particular, is called Around the World of Packaging. It's because they don't let us double up our title, Good Garbage News, Good Garbage Podcast. So I call it Around the World of Packaging there, and then when we come here, I like to call it Good Garbage News so we can do both. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. And we'll start with Notpla, as Allianz Stadium became the first major UK venue to pilot a fully plastic-free drinks carrier with a truly one-of-a-kind design. It's inspired by the shape of a rugby ball, Allianz Stadium, the home of rugby in England, and co-designed to meet the unique demands of stadium service. The carrier offers fans a smooth and convenient way to carry pints without the plastic. Of course, we had the Notpla CEO on Good Garbage, Pierre Paslier, just maybe last year. So go ahead and go back and listen to that episode. Allianz Stadium, which like I said is the home of England rugby, is now setting the pace for sustainable sport in the UK. And behind the scenes, they've been quietly transforming their packaging systems in collaboration with Notpla and Levy, first with seaweed-lined trays and boxes, then with a naturally disappearing chip fork, and most recently with that drinks carrier. Let's move on to Zampla. They announced their latest major commercial advance with their innovative Morrow coating, now widely available to the food service industry through Bunzl UK and Ireland's extensive distribution networks. Classified as plastic-free under the European Single-Use Plastics Directive, Morrow coating is a barrier coating made from plants with no chemical modification. The Huhtamaki taste boxes are available now across Bunzl's extensive network of operating companies, delivering to national restaurant chains, transport hubs, hotels, contact caterers, and stadiums across the UK and Ireland. As a leading supplier in the food service sector, this listing with Bunzl UK and Ireland provides a significant platform for the introduction of Morrow coating to the industry. And of course, Huhtamaki, a global leader in sustainable food packaging solutions, announced the launch of its new ice cream cups that combine product innovation with customer appeal. These cups are both home and industrial, compostable, and recyclable, delivering a new sustainable packaging solution for the ice cream industry. They're made from responsibly sourced certified paperboard, which contains a bio-based material coating, shifting from fossil-based to bio-based plastics while keeping plastic content to less than 10%. Huhtamaki is advancing its commitment to sustainability through its extended ice cream portfolio and helping customers reduce their environmental footprint. Stora Enso is excited to team up with Novapor in a pilot project featuring their cellulose foam packaging material Papira. Ready to phase out conventional foam, Stora Enso is lowering CO2, switching to a wood fiber-based alternative without compromising on protective performance. Novapor Nordic needed a smart and sustainable packaging solution to protect their exclusive bathroom mirrors. Traditionally, they would have used polyethylene foam, but they wanted to reduce their carbon footprint and offer a recyclable solution when delivering products to their customers. They preferred a monomaterial alternative based on wood fibers to make the entire packaging recyclable in paper and board streams. Ocado Retail has become the first UK grocer to scale packaging traceability through its partnership with Polytag, using invisible tag technologies to support a more transparent data-led recycling system. The online grocery retailer's rollout includes the full Ocado Retail milk range and marks a foundational step in enabling circularity at scale. In partnership with Polytag, a UK leader in connected packaging and recycling technology, Ocado Retail has begun applying UV watermarks to Ocado Retail's milk range. The UV tags are invisible to customers, but readable at material recovery facilities, MRFs, and supply Ocado Retail with accurate item-level data on where and when packaging is recycled. That's some of the latest news from the world of sustainable packaging. Coming back to the Good Garbage podcast, we've had some great guests on the show recently. Looking back at our most recent interviews, you can listen to Vaid's interview with Sundar Balakrishnan anywhere you listen to podcasts. Seeing Sundar's journey in the biopolymer space made him an easy choice on the show. He's constantly evolving possibilities, and we've seen him transform as a business leader. Of course, we've had a few more episodes out recently, so check out the latest episode of the Good Garbage podcast wherever you listen to podcasts, including Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and of course, you can see all of our interviews, all the video versions of our interviews on YouTube. So please subscribe, send a comment, let us know what you think of the latest interviews and how things are going. We love to respond to people on YouTube there. Thank you so much for listening to this edition of Good Garbage News. We'll be back in September with the latest updates in the industry of sustainable packaging. I am recording this on August 14th, and I know INC 5.2 is currently wrapping up. So I do want to have a recap for that in September when I have a little bit more time to kind of see what has come of it and kind of talk to people and see kind of what the thoughts are on what next steps are moving forward. So I will have a INC 5.2 update in September. But in the meantime, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, I'd love to hear from people. So please send me an email at alex.moore@packa.com. Moore is Moore and Packa is Pakka. Thank you. See you next month.
Thank you for listening to the Good Garbage podcast. Follow us on social media to never miss an episode. Links are in the description below. I'm your host, Vaid Krishna. See you next time.